Hello everyone. My name is Ravi Keshwani and I'm into the software industry since 18 years now. I am enthusiastic, same like you, learning about new concept of AI agents, agenting AI, and the world of AI is growing day by day. And in this course, we will learn about model context protocol. My target is to help the developers, the engineers to learn about the AI shift that is happening these days. I hope I will be able to help you guys so that you can understand the concepts of AI and what is evolving. This course is going to be very, very helpful to you because we are going to focus on practicals only, and you will learn how to do it. Along with, we will learn about the concepts of MCP. Thank you for enrolling to this course. Heartily welcome to this course. This course is for the developers, engineers who are looking forward to learn MCP. In this course, the development that we are doing for learning the concepts of MCP would be totally practical. We will learn and study about MCP, which is the new open standard which allows the AI models and developer tools to talk to the external system in a structured and a secure way. This course will contain the beginning of learning about MCP server with very basic example so that you can download the IDEs, set up the development environment, utilize the IDEs to develop your own MCP servers with hands-on. We will develop the MCP server with an example of consuming the external APIs so that you can understand what is the power of MCP to talk with external APIs as well. We will configure the MCP server with different IDEs, AI agents, cursor, and cloud desktop. We will learn different transport types in MCP like STDIO, the SSE transport type, which is server side events, and also we will learn about streamable HTTP, which is the recommended transport type in MCP. We will also learn the other aspects of MCP, which are prompts, resources, and we will also create the smart prompting templates in the MCP server. We will also learn architecture of MCP and how it works with different AI tools. So you have landed in the right course. This course is a beginner series to make you aware the concept of model context protocol, and you will learn how to integrate and develop the MCP servers. So thank you again. Stay tuned. I will hope that you will enjoy this course.